Hello, you're here with Miss Libby Rose, and in today's tutorial we're going to be making the heart apron. Now there's a heart apron for adults and a heart apron for children. First things first, if you want to download the pattern, and this first section is just about putting the pattern together. I know sometimes it's a little bit difficult to work out which bits go where, so we're just going to talk about putting the pattern together. There's another tutorial about making the adult's apron or making the children's apron. So if you can get your pattern pieces together, gather them up and come back to me and I'll talk you through that. So now that you've downloaded all of the pattern pieces, let's go through them and see what pieces are needed for what. So the adult's pattern is 3 pieces. So you've got the top, the sash, the middle, and then the bottom, the base. So it is 3 pieces of paper. That one, and you will have one that's that big. But for now, you've got one piece that looks like this. That's fine, as is. All you need to do is cut around that one piece, and then you'll be laying that and cutting it on the fold twice of the fabric. The sash is printed out as it is, and you fold the fabric along this line, fold it along that line, and you cut that out once. Then you've got this base. So once you've printed out this base, you should see the instructions on there that you've got this piece, then you're going to square up. So from this line, you're going to carry on this side line up. So from the end here, up 29 more centimeters. And then you've got this side. If you can get to the straight bit of this, so you've got the curve around the bottom, then there's a straight on the side. And again, try and square that off. So from this line and here, square it off 29 centimeters above, and then a square at the top. Then you'll have 3 pieces that look like this. This is for your base. For the children's pattern, you're printing out 3 pieces as well. But this is all going to go into one pattern piece, okay? So there's 3 pieces of paper, but they're all going into this one pattern piece. So we've got the top. So this is half of the heart, which then attaches to, there's 2 dashes here. So I know to attach my 2 dashes from this next sort of ziggy-zaggy pattern. And then the base has got 2 dashes, and I match that up to 2 dashes and 2 dashes on that middle ziggy one. And then that creates this whole pattern piece. So once you've stuck them all together, I transfer them to card, so if you feel to, transfer yours to card as well. If not, you've got some nice paper patterns there, and then we're ready to get started on the tutorials.